Hello, welcome to Easy English. So today, I want to give you 22 abbreviations that you can use in texts, emails, or online in general. Plus, So, Mr. Mitch, do you know why you're here? Where am I? I was supposed to be at a party like 20 minutes ago. I've already got FOMO. Listen, I don't care about your FOMO, or however you call it. I just want to know about you and where you were the night of the murder of Stephen Baldwin on the Zero's Keys Road. I got this email asking me to RSVP to a party at Stephen Baldwin's house that night. RSVP? Responde, s'il vous plaît. In English, goddammit! No, that's what it stands for. It basically means please reply if you're invited to a party or something. And then you went down to the house and murdered him, didn't